Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Light violet color, forest green color, emerald green color, geranium color, black color, vivid purple color, pastel pink color, Persian blue color, rose big color, yellow green color, cool gray color, mint blue color. Stay with us. Mint blue color. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Exactly. The next one is G. Now we are using the color of geranium, writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. I. I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. Now we're using the color of light violet. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose. The next one is O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Stay with us. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T. Exactly, T. Yellow green color. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W. W for watch. The next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching, kids. The next one is numbers. Black color, writing the number of 1, 2. The next one is 3, 4, F-O-U-R, 5, F-I-V-E, 5, 6, 7. The next one is 8, the number of 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10, T-E-N, 10. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.